Many see adaptive reuse just like a renovation. So I feel that's the biggest misconception, that adaptive reuse is easy. Adaptive reuse requires skill, requires a lot of sensitive understanding of existing site, and it's definitely not your simple renovation job overnight. And secondly, I think we all have to be prepared when you start on a journey of adaptive reuse. There will be surprises. There will be structural surprises because it's an old building. As we start to work with the old building, it's like doing surgery. You will discover that there are hidden beams, there are hidden columns, and that's where you realize that your layout cannot be as flexible as you want, because it's not blank piece of paper. The next one would be cost. Usually, because the perception of adaptive reuse is simple, the budget costs are always pegged low. But I see encouraging signs that more and more homeowners, stakeholders understand that it's not that straightforward. So project costs are already being buffered for surprises. I think to achieve a good, successful project, we need to work with our structural engineers. We rely on them on integrity input. We have high respect for our mechanical and electrical engineers. And we really have full working collaboration with the builder, the contractor, and all the trades that is involved in the construction site. And it takes everyone to have that mindset of, yes, we want to save this old building, and that determination to solve problem without removing the existing character of the place. We architects, as far as I mentioned earlier, that we could be problem solvers, but I never reckoned that we could be the only one solving the problems. We will see you next, where I'll be talking about future of adaptive reuse and more interesting stories to share.